Hello again. This is overview video for day 5. One thing I want to point out real quick, the announcement that I put up here. So this is the last day for Unit 8, and so you've had 5 days of activities and things to do and turn in. So what I want you to do is make sure you go back, look at day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Make sure that you did all of those activities. Make sure if there's anything that you were supposed to submit that you turned that in. If you're unsure of what needs to be turned in from Schoology, go into Sapphire, check your grade, and look to see what you're missing. If you still are unsure, send me a message. I will let you know if you are missing anything and what it is or where to find it. Alright, so let's go into the online distance learning folder, into Unit 8. Like I said, it's the last day for Unit 8, so day 5. Alright, so again, we're going to go in order here. So we are going to watch the video for the Punnett Square first and do the Punnett Square reading. So Punnett Squares are those things where you take the parents and then you put their genes on either side of the square, and then you figure out what the offspring could be. So you're going to learn all about alleles and genotype and phenotype. While you are watching this video, I want you to do these questions here, and what I did was next to each question there is a number, and that number is where to find it in the video. So if you get too far past that number, you know you need to go back so you can answer that question. The back of that worksheet is practice, so everything that you heard here and read here, you're going to practice on the back of that worksheet and do a Punnett Square. Punnett Square Kahoot is practice, run through it, make sure that you learned what you needed to from the video and the reading, and if not, go back and watch and read again. And then you're going to do the Punnett Square activity. It's the assessment for Schoology, and you're going to go in, again, there's 2 tries to that, so if you do it the first time and you're not happy with it, go in and do it again. And I will take your best score. Last but not least, there is an optional, I made that nice and big for you, optional assignment. So the genetics unit is pretty cool. It's one that I really like. I wish we could spend more time on it. I wish we could do it in class, but we don't have enough time, and so we're going to do what we can with it. So this is an enrichment activity. What that means is it's something above and beyond. It is something you don't have to do, but if genetics is something that is really interesting to you, there is a gizmo that has little mice that you can kind of run through a little virtual lab, and you can kind of put them together depending on the color of their fur and see what the outcome would be. There is a worksheet that goes along with it that you are welcome to do, or you can just run through the gizmo and just learn a little bit more about genetics. That is up to you, and that is day 5.